How to make liked songs public on Spotify. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify app on your phone. You will be taken to the Explore page on Spotify. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Your Library. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on this plus icon. Now, tap on Playlist to build a new playlist with songs or episodes. Give your new playlist a name and tap on Create, for example, Public Playlist. Your new playlist has now been created. You can now start building your playlist by adding songs to it. Go back to your library and tap on Liked Songs. Here, select the song that you want to make public and tap on the three dots beside it. Now, tap on Add to Playlist. Here, choose the playlist that you recently created and tap on Done. The song is now added to your public playlist. Then go back to your library and open this playlist. Here, tap on the three dots as shown. Scroll down and look for the Make Private option. This option makes your playlist private. That means only you and the people you invite will be able to view this playlist. If you want to make the playlist public, then go back and tap on the three dots. Scroll down and tap on Make Public. Your playlist is now set to public. Following these steps, you can easily make liked songs public on Spotify.